We're going to start by doing some Shinbox work, which is really a full body mobility drill for the spine, the hips, the whole lower body as well. It's also a great opportunity to do some self-treatment using various soft tissue techniques. Here I'm using a hypervolt massage gun with a flat head attachment by Hyperice. What I like about these positions is that it gives me a lot of different angles that I wouldn't normally choose when I'm treating myself. Here, of course, I'm starting at my feet, working around the ankles and taking my time around areas that oftentimes get overlooked. It gives me an opportunity as well to work the outside of the ankle, which in other positions you have to get yourself into, but in the shin box you just naturally fall into these positions, and it provides you an opportunity to get both sides fairly equally. The support that the ground gives you allows you to really work the foot very well and get as deep as you need to. I could be using other attachments, but I find that the flathead does probably 90% of what I really enjoy getting. I'm going to eventually work up into the lower leg, but I'm going to spend quite a bit of time on my feet because they get a lot of work. I'm on my feet all day, and most of us are on hard surfaces, so the feet could use the attention. Make sure you spend your time when you feel like you're hitting areas that need the attention. Spend that extra time there, but don't rush through it. Around the heels, and especially that lateral side of the foot, there's quite a bit of muscle and tissue that the vibration and the percussion from the machine will help to get better blood flow, improve the health of the skin and the soft tissues underneath.